Hello and welcome to Scratch. Scratch is a very powerful coding program that you can use to create animations, games, and a variety of other things. It does so many things that I'm not even sure what all you can do with it. To start Scratch, you will need to create an account that's free. You just have to fill in some information and you're ready to create an animation. First thing you do is click Create. Takes you to this screen, and it will always start with this default sprite. They call the little characters sprites. And this happens to be the default Scratch cat. It also has backgrounds that can be added. So you could put a different background. Say I wanted my sprite to be, let's put our sprite on the beach in Malibu. Click it, click OK, and my sprite is now on the beach in Malibu. There are a variety of sprites to choose from. Some do actions, some have multiple steps. Close that. The key to creating a Scratch is in the scripts. Scripts tells the character what to do. Right now, our sprite is, I can move him with the cursor, but on his own he won't do anything. The first thing we need to start with is some event, and usually start with when clicked. In other words, when you click this, the sprite will start to do something. And suppose we want our sprite to move. So we'll go to the motion script and we'll say move, let's say 60 steps. Steps are not very big. And then we want our sprite to say something. And let's just see what happens then. So we click the green thing, our sprite should move and say hello. Using Scratch in the beginning seems very, very difficult. The learning curve is pretty steep. But once you get started with it, you realize that it's just basically building blocks of code to make your character do what you want. I suggest that all of you give Sprite a chance, at least give it a try. Sit down, spend a few minutes putting some code together, and you will see on the web page that there is I've attached a link to a very helpful set of directions on how to use this very powerful and fun animation application. When you're finished, you can share it, save it. You can go to the project page, which is what your page will look like. Since it's free, there are some conditions that they would like you to make sure to credit whoever. If you take an image from somebody, you can import images off the web. If you take that image, you want to make sure that you credit the person you took it from, credit the ideas you're using, and when you're finished, you can share your project, and you'll go and see some projects that have been finished. All these projects are available for you to go and watch and edit. This is an online community. It's not personally owned, so you can add to others, make comments. It's really a pretty cool thing, so I suggest you go and check it out.